If Opera is showing you a 504 error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back online as quickly as possible. This usually happens when Opera's internal routing servers are overloaded, temporarily down, or something on your device is blocking the connection before the page can load. The good news is that a few quick changes can often solve it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, if Opera's VPN is turned on, look to the right side of your address bar where the VPN button appears. Click that VPN button to open the controls, then toggle the power switch to off. Sometimes the VPN route can cause a timeout, especially if the server is unstable or if the web page is struggling to load through that extra layer of connection. After turning it off, refresh the page and check whether the 504 error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next step is to open Opera's settings. Click the Opera logo in the top left corner of the browser, then go to Settings. From there, select Privacy and Security. Once you're in that section, look for the native block ads feature and turn it off. In some cases, Opera's built-in ad blocking can interfere with scripts or page requests that a website needs in order to load properly, so disabling it temporarily is a smart test. Next, scroll further down until you reach the Features section. Find Battery Saver and turn it off as well. Battery Saver can aggressively throttle background network activity, and that can sometimes slow down or interrupt the requests your browser needs to complete. If it's enabled, Opera may be trying to save resources in a way that causes the page to time out, so disabling it can make a big difference. Now we'll check Windows Internet settings, because a proxy configuration can also cause Opera to fail with a 504 error. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type inetcpl.cpl and press enter. This will open the Internet Properties window. Go to the Connections tab, then click LAN Settings. In the LAN Settings window, make sure Use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked. Then check Automatically Detect Settings. Once that's done, click OK to save the changes. After applying these fixes, close and reopen Opera if needed, then try loading the page again. In many cases, one of these steps will remove the conflict causing the 504 error and your site should load normally. If it still doesn't work, the problem may be on the website side, or there may be a broader network outage, but these steps solve the issue for a lot of users. If this video helped you fix Opera error 504, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.